Good evening, and thank you for tuning in to my Superintendent's Update. My plans for this report have changed this week, and as a result, I will only discuss one very important topic, and that's masks. Unfortunately, in just the 5 days we've been open, our schools have seen a significant spike in diagnosed COVID-19 cases among our students. I have followed and studied the data each week since the COVID-19 pandemic first hit our community and nation, and the cases involving children have reached an all-time high in our school system. In only 5 days of school, we have had over 80 positive cases of student infection, and more than 200 students have been sent home to quarantine. In comparison, during the last 3 months of the previous school year, we saw less than 20 student cases per week, and many times that number was less than 10 per week. Just today, the Gwinnett Newton Rockdale Health Department confirmed the increased infection rate among children in Newton County. With that said, after consultation with our local health department staff, as well as Piedmont Newton Hospital's medical professionals, we have made the decision to temporarily mandate masks while inside our schools and riding our buses. I was hopeful that having masks optional but highly recommended would be enough, but the cases are just too high among our students. Please note that these numbers don't even reflect the cases among our staff. So starting this Monday, August 9th, all students, staff, and visitors will be required to wear masks inside of our school buildings, and masks will also be required on our school buses. Please understand that our primary concern is the health and safety of our students and staff. We will continue our mask mandate until such time that the number of positive cases decrease in our schools and community. Currently, Newton County is identified as having a high rate of transmission of COVID-19, and unfortunately, the numbers continue to trend upward. We've also been informed by the health department that less than 33% of the total population of Newton County has been vaccinated, which is contributing to the spread of COVID-19 in our community. On behalf of our students and staff, I encourage everyone in Newton County, if you are eligible, to please get the vaccination. We must do everything we can to keep our schools open throughout the school year. I know you've grown tired of it, but it is of critical importance, especially now with this even more transmissible variant, that we practice those 3 W's. Wash your hands often, wear a mask when you're around those not in your immediate family, and watch your distance out in public. In addition, it's not only important that you wear a mask, but it's also crucial that you wear it correctly. It must cover both your nose and mouth. And if it's reusable and made of cloth, you must wash it regularly. The CDC has provided data to reflect that masks do work if they are worn properly and cared for properly. I know this will not be a popular decision among many of our families, but it is the best course of action to protect our students and employees. No one likes wearing a mask. I understand that. But if parents and the community want our children to be able to attend school in person, we must do this, at least for now. It is my sincere hope that we can move back to the mask optional status once the numbers trend downward and we see a decrease in the rate of transmission. I ask for your support and cooperation as we navigate through this set of new challenges. If we stick together, we will be able to keep our schools open all year, keeping our students and staff safe at the same time. Thank you and have a wonderful weekend.